One thing you might not see on the internet is when you bring your house with you, you bring your house chores with you. So today I'm going to take you with me to show you what a real day of doing house chores while living in a van in Portugal is really like. I don't know what. Vanlife is dramatic, guys. Are you allowed to say things like this on the internet? But first, let's have some coffee and go surfing. I think my key isn't. Before we get started, we need to make this a no judgment space. If you want realistic content, let me show you the messy parts and don't give me judgment. Nobody is getting judged for the chaos, messy dirtiness that is van life. Also, maybe it's not van life, maybe it's me, but no judgment. Okay? Okay. Okay, now we go. These roads are not built for two people. Rude. The reason we need to wash the van is because one day I was driving with coffee and I was like, it was basically done. So I went to throw it out the window. Did not judge the wind. My van is just coffee. Okay, I have arrived at the cleaning place. I kind of need a plan of action. Oh, I actually wrote it out last night. I have a little whiteboard with a plan of action, so I'm going to go get that. So I think we'll do the outside first, then the inside, and then we're going to do grey water, black water. Oh, the service. I haven't checked like my water levels, oil levels, tires or anything since I left, like 7 weeks ago now. I've now pulled in, so let's figure out how to wash a van. Coffee didn't even come off. Thank you whoever wrote this on my van. Okay, that's kind of washed. Surf done. Breakfast, coffee. I didn't eat breakfast, but I did have coffee. Drive to the van shop, clean place, yes. Wash outside, yes. So next I'm gonna park, clean, and then hoover. Then I'm gonna empty the grey water, and there's some issues. It's gonna be disgusting. Okay, we'll get there. We'll get there in a minute. Ugh. Okay, yeah, so first I think clean. We'll clean. Pick stuff up so I can hoover. Let's go. I would really recommend getting a jar like this before you go traveling, and any coins you have, putting them in. I had like 270 euro or something in this, but I would recommend putting the cover on and not putting it over your head. Good tip. Because it started raining money down on me one day. I had the jar up here, not raining money like in a strip club, nice dollar bills, nice soft dollar bills. No, it was raining €2 coins down my head. I don't actually work when I travel, so as of now I'm unemployed. What I do is I work, save up, and then go travel. So for me, all of these tiny senses make a massive difference. If anyone's ever stuck for 10 cents, look under my floor. I'm sure you'll find one. A to-do list with nothing ticked off. Wow, that wouldn't be like me. I'm starting to lose concentration, motivation. Do you ever start cleaning and then give up halfway through, and then you end up, the whole place is messier than when you started? Every time. I used to do it with my room. Oh my god, I'm gonna clean out my wardrobe. I'm gonna get rid of all my clothes. Halfway through, go do something else, come back that night. I don't even have a bed to lie on. I just threw everything there. And then it stays like that for 1 to 2 business weeks. Are you allowed to say things like this on the internet? Should I act like I'm a normal, responsible adult? Or should I just be honest? I think we're going to be honest. No judgment. Let's drive to the Hoover station. How do I make it go? Put the money in. Front is looking good, the back is looking 10 times worse because I just threw everything back there. Yeah, let's keep going. Also, I may have sucked up some stuff I wasn't supposed to, but that's okay. Hoover inside, tick. Time for the worst job of them all. Emptying the pee toilet I call it a pee toilet because I only pee. I don't know how people clean the non-only pee toilets. I know it's your own and it's already coming out of your body, but no. And the grey water, my grey water tank has been leaking on and off. I'm gonna talk more about like the actual grey water, what to get and what not to get. Don't get what I got. If I can keep it clean for 24 hours, next video is a van tour, so make sure you subscribe. Okay, let's go do this disgusting job. Maybe I shouldn't have hoovered the whole floor before taking the grey water tank out. My grey water is in here, and then that goes into here. Black water goes over here, which is the toilet, and then you can fill up on fresh water here. My fresh water is currently leaking, so yeah, that's the job for another day. Let's go for grey water, which is basically the dirty water out of the sink. Okay. Okay, this is what it's not meant to look like in here. Oh my god, spiders. Oh my god, how many's living in here? Oh, is that a big spider? Okay, woo, okay, breathe. Hopefully, I don't even want to talk about it, to be honest. Why is there so many cobwebs? Like, what is living in here? Tarantula? Okay, let's just go. Let's just clean. There was a guy I used to go out with, and I ended up meeting him yesterday. We were talking, and I explained that this was leaking, and he said, "Come on, let's clean it together now. I'll help you." And I was like, "No," because I was trying to be an independent woman. Plus, I didn't want to do it. I should have just made him clean it. What was I thinking? Okay, I think that's enough chemicals. Make sure you're close so we have no accidents. Let's put this on here like this. Oh my girl! I'm looking for you. Empty the grey and black water, tick, and then clean the fridge. I think I'm gonna go buy food and clean the fridge. This video is such a catfish, oh my god. Yeah, look at me, so clean, everything's so clean. All I did was put everything back here. Good job. The only problem with cleaning is that I don't know where anything is. Like, where's my charger? My phone's gonna die. Okay, maybe I can make it a little without directions. Unlikely. Actually, if you want to see how bad I am with directions, I made a video on, or I will make, depends. I'm not sure if it's happened in the future or the past yet, but I will or have made a video a day without my phone and having no sense of direction. So you should watch that. For some reason I have no power. Why have I no power? This is why you shouldn't clean. I have solar. Oh. Vanlife is dramatic, guys. So something's wrong with my batteries. I'm so confused. Oh, okay, let me think. Oh, it just wasn't pushed in. Oh, good, because my uterus was starting to be painful too, and I just didn't have the patience for that. Oh, it's so hard being a girl. Anyway, we have power, so I have just arrived at the beach. 3 more things left on my to-do list. One of them is go for a walk, which I'm gonna do now. So I hope this video helps you understand that van life, even though on Instagram it is so beautiful and a highlight reel and you get to see the sunsets and travel where you want and sleep by the beach, obviously there is days where you have to do chores and look after your van. Oh, I never did the service part. Anyways, so I hope this gives you a more realistic impression of what van life is. Oh, nice one. I may be slightly more chaotic, unorganized, messy than most people, so maybe you can keep it a little bit cleaner. But if you do have a DIY van and if you are going to the beach and you want to be outdoors, your van is going to be all sand. If it's DIY, presses wide open, things are going to fall, break, etc. So you have to deal with those things as you go, in between surfing, in between the seaside walks. I have to organize all of this, which I will do. I will show you the final results, and then yeah, I'll do a little van tour. So it's going to be similar to this, realistic, authentic van tour of a budget self-built van that I had no idea what I was doing. So if you kind of like that style, make sure you subscribe. You will see when the next video comes. Thank you for watching.